Orient just one corner of the Rubik's Cube. And I'm serious, this really does work. It's going to orient just one corner. So to start out with, I'd started out the way you'd expect. R prime, D prime, R. So to start out with, I'd started out the way you'd expect. R prime, D prime, R, D. But instead, I'd started out the way you'd expect, R prime, D prime, R, D. But instead, rotate the cube around like this and do a double D move. Now do the reverse of that algorithm, D prime, R prime, D, R. Now do the reverse of that algorithm, D prime, R prime, D, R. Then rotate it around again, do another double D move, and do the forward of the algorithm. And then rotate it around again, and do the reverse. Okay, and rotate it around, do a double D move, and do the forwards of the algorithm.
What?
Rotate it around, and finally do the reverse of the algorithm. And you just need to finish it off with a...
What? Normal.